Appointeke kakhulu.
Uborekile.
No, igame the way kade ingakhona. Abantu basibiza ngama big team. I-big team kumele siyibone egroundini i-display ukuthi no sinjo i-football. Suka ko Cape Town njoba sila sizobuka i-game, big game kuthiwa i-sold out. But masifika la e-stadium kupha kwibhasi ndoda 8 defenders. Yes, 8 defenders. Kaizer Chiefs.
It was an early game for Sundown.
Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, defender mfowethu. Kuya defendwa. Masiphuma kanje sofuna uku-enjoy ibhola sibone into eyenziwe egroundini. Tiki taka egroundini. Hawu. Wazi ngisho ukuthi abantu bayalala e-stadium kuyalala egroundini mina ngikwazi lokho.
Bulela. Oh bulela wena.
Bekulele mfowethu. Bekulele. Wazi bhuti omdala into engimangazayo. I-team enesitanje nge-Sundowns. Bengiya-expect ukuthi ngabuka igame engibukela. Igame engibukela hayi ayikhombi ne-standards se-Sundowns into engibukela. I'm very disappointed.
Second game ye-Sundowns.
No, even second game, but I'm very disappointed. I-team ine-star ezu-2. Into engibukela bhuti omdala. I'm very disappointed. Bengithi mhlawumbe ngizobuka igame esezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu ngoba kuthiwa le game is serious kufanele netrata abantu basuka from Dickflop ngeenyawo.
Gratmani ngicela ukukhata ne wathazwani yazathini wathazwani khona abasidelelayo baqeda ngabo
ngobani
so nathi khona abasidelelayo
And wena umenywanga la.
no
khona abasidelelayo
bhuti omdala thina singabantu abathanda igame ne every match mayikhona siyathenda asikhethi igame eyi-1 besikhona eDorfomville kunethi imvula lapha bichipa ne-Richards Bay so buka igame nalala sibesila against Eros njengoba abafowethu bazophuma ku-M10 8 thina singabantu abasithandela nje isport entertainment so masizoze estadium sizobuka into ebhora kanje bafowethu
Ekulalisa.
no abafowethu abasama ukuthi bakhuphule singalali isegroundini akumele isegroundini silale Master Messi si enjoy game kube mnandi
Danke Sithole.
asibonge